So it's Dax79 here. I am recording on the phone and I've got this new radio mic set up on my Blackmagic. Now, this is really nice. Sennheiser. This one is the EWDP ME4 set, and I've got frequencies Q1 to 6. Now, the sound is beautiful through these headphones, through my Sony's. It's very sensitive, got a comma beard there, so you'd have to be very careful on placement of the microphone. So with the kit, you get your radio pack. It's got a mute button on top and then back. Let's jump between sound actually. So for normal sound is now, hear me, I'm just chit-chatting in this room. Now we're going to jump back to this unit. It's got its mute on top, it's got a sync on top, and if you flip it open you've got your power. The great thing about this is instead of having like a percentage of battery life, is on the display it has the battery life of your radio pack and of the receiver is displayed in hours and minutes. So at the moment it's saying I've got 7 hours and 2 minutes left of battery life. I like that. Now I'm listening to the sound through the camera because I wanted to make sure that that feed was right, but you can also obviously tap into your receiver. What I have noticed is, unfortunately, one thing you can't seem to do with it is if you decide you want to plug audio, the unit, just say it's running out of power. If you go to put power in it, you heard that? Yeah, not good. So you can't run power into it when you're using it. So I am moving house, so you have to bear with me. Let me just put my radio pack on. There we go. So here we go. I will get a close up of the box here. There we go. So this is really nice, isn't it? And there's you. Let's get you in focus. Hello. There you are. So this is very, 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 very nice. And what we could try, let's try, what I'm going to do is, I've got a harmonica here. I've been learning to play. Let's see what happens, how it peaks if I'm playing something on this. Guess the tune. So there we go. I was playing the harmonica. Anyway, there's that. If I take the headphones off, let's go for a walk. Here we go. So we're just going to go for the walk. I'm going to grab you. Howdy. Let's go for a walk. We'll go through some walls and stuff. Let's have a look. Let's have a little. We'll go outside. Let's see what happens. So, there we go. So outside my house, there's my Ecto van. And what we're going to do is we're going to see how far, so house in the background. If I keep walking, now there's a lot of work going on, I don't know if you can hear that. There's a lot of tools getting used, power tools. Now my house is all the way over there, the camera's inside. I don't know if the camera can still hear me, it'd be interesting. So my house is over there, there's my van, like this. So we're going through some very hard bricks. Walk back and we'll see how the sound was. So my neighbours are doing work, so I don't know if you can hear, but we've got drilling and sawing going on. We're nearly there, we'll go back into the house. It'll be interesting to see how and if and when the audio broke up from the microphone. I haven't got the wind thing on. So the wind, here's good, this is really, really noisy. So he's got some tools going on. Hear it? And then we go back into the house. Yeah, no, the only problem I can see here is that I forgot to put the wind blocker on. So it was a bit windy. Right. Oh, there we go. Let's just make sure it's in focus. Right, so yep, the kit, and it will fit nicely on your rig. There you go. It's all still handheld. I really like it. Really do. I really do like it. And it looks nice, doesn't it? It looks a part of the camera. Doesn't stand out. So there we go. It is definitely, just get your focus. It is definitely a 5-star from me. Thank you very much, Sennheiser. I am going to really use this, and having it sent through to test this has been quite an honour actually. It's a very nice bit of kit, very nice bit of kit. So I recommend everyone out there gets one, and that's it. That's all I can say. Dax79 out.